back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this gym bag from Nivea, and I am also going to announce a giveaway in this video. So if you are interested to know about the giveaway and the review of this gym bag, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, this is going to be the first giveaway in my channel and I am really very excited for that. So if you want to know all the rules of this giveaway, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and I will share the review of this gym bag at first. So I have bought this gym bag because I have recently joined a gym because I have gained so much weight in this lockdown. So guys, in this lockdown period we all are just sitting at our home and gaining a lot of weight, so that's not good for our health, and I have gained 9 kgs of weight in this lockdown period. Oh my god guys, that is horrible. I was 53 kgs at the month of February and now I am 62 kgs, so you can see that I have gained lots of weight. So I really wanted to join a gym, so I have joined a gym recently at near of my house. So I have been going to the gym since last 1 week and I am carrying my normal tote bag, but I really having lots of problem. All the stuffs are not fitting in that bag, so I have to carry extra plastic to carry my shoes, because you need to carry your extra shoe with you in your gym. So I have been carrying the extra plastic and that is a hassle job. So I thought of purchasing a good gym bag in which I can fit all of my stuff, and it has a separate space for your shoes, which is a great thing. So I have gone through many reviews of many gym bags from Flipkart and Amazon. So this is available in Flipkart and also in Amazon, and I have bought this from Amazon. This retails for 649 rupees and I have got this on a very good discount at 329 rupees, and I don't know how much the offer will going to stay. So if you want this bag, please grab it as soon as possible if you are going to gym, or if someone in your family is going to gym, because this bag is really very convenient and I really like this one. So I have bought this from Amazon, and if you want to buy this bag, I will attach the link of this bag in my description box below, so you can buy it from that link. So even if you don't want to buy, you can just have a look, and if you like it you can give it a try. And this is also available in 2 other different colors. I think one is a neon green color and the second one is a blue color, and I got this black color for me. So this has a separate shoe compartment, as I have said. So this compartment here is for shoes, and this compartment has a mesh kind of a thing, as you can see. So this is really very good guys, because when you are putting your used shoes in this, so it will not stink because it has this mesh thing here. So the smell will go out through this, so that is really very nice. I really like this one for that purpose. So I will show you how I fit all the things in this bag. So it is from a brand called Nivea. As you can see, it has Nivea written here at white color, and it has a hand strap, as you can see. So it has a hand strap, and you can, this has a velcro, and you can attach these 2 straps together with this velcro thing. And this also has a shoulder strap, and this is, sorry guys, so this is a adjustable shoulder strap, as you can see. So you can adjust it as you want. So this is big enough. So if you are a boy, if you are a girl, no matter what your height is, this is enough length for you, I think. So you can adjust it as you want. So at the other side of this bag, you are getting another mesh compartment. So here you can put your handkerchief or a small towel which you use to wipe your sweat. So you can use this compartment to put that. And now let's talk about the main compartment. So the zips are also very nice. So here is the main compartment, as you can see. So this is big enough to put all your stuffs in it. So you can put your towel, your bottle of water, and your umbrella, and your extra pant or t-shirt, whatever you want. So you can put all your stuff here. So this looks small, but I have also read some review about this being small in size, but for me I think this size is good enough to put all of my stuff. So now let me show you how I put all my stuff here. So at first let me put this shoe. So this is not my gym shoe, that is left outside of my room. So I am just showing you putting this new shoe in this. So here you can put your shoe. So as you can see, it is inside completely separated from the other stuffs which are you going to put in this. So then you can put a towel. So this is a towel. So you can put this towel into this bag. Then you can put a 1 liter big bottle. So this is empty now. So I am just showing you how all the stuffs are nicely adjustable in this small bag. So then this is my umbrella, and it also has a small pouch inside the main compartment. Here is the pouch. So you can put your mobile or headphone or earphone, whatever you want. So this is my mobile. So I'm just putting it in this compartment. And you can also put your earphone in this small compartment. So can you see, guys, all the stuffs are nicely adjusted in this bag, and the zips are also really very nice, guys. So you can use this hand strap also. So just look at this, guys, all the stuffs are nicely adjusted in this. So when I first received it, I thought that this is small, and I was really worried that whether I could put all the stuffs in it or not. But as you can see, all the stuffs are nicely adjusted in this bag, and I really like this bag, and I will highly recommend this bag to you guys. And guys, two more main points which I want to mention here is this bag is water resistant, as it claims. Though I haven't tried it in rainy season because I have recently bought it. So this claims to be water resistant, which is a great point. And the second point is this bag doesn't have any weight to it. So this is really very lightweight. This doesn't have any weight. This is so light. So that is all about the review of this bag, and I will highly recommend this bag to you. So if you want to buy a good bag for your gym, please give it a try. You will not be disappointed. And you can also carry your extra t-shirt or pant if you like to in this bag. I really don't need to carry those because my gym is really close to my house. So all the stuff which I have shown you is good enough for me to carry. So now let's talk about the giveaway. So guys, as I have told you that this is going to be the first giveaway in my channel, so I am really very happy that I am announcing this giveaway, the first giveaway in my channel. So I am going to give away this gym bag to you. So one of you guys is going to win this gym bag. So I will ask you which color you want, and I am going to give you that color. So this bag is going to be yours. So the rules of this giveaway are really very simple. So at first you have to like this video. You have to comment down below why you want this gym bag for you, and you have to share this video with your friends. You can share it with one of your friends, that's enough. And you have to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. So you have to do this fourth thing: like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. These 5 things. So you have to do this 5 thing only and you can get this bag. So I am going to announce this on my Instagram and as well as on my YouTube. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please go and follow. What you are waiting for. So that is it for today, guys, and from now on I am planning to announce a giveaway every month on my channel. So if you are interested to know what all the giveaways will be and if you want to win those giveaway, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestion for my videos, please feel free to share those. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.